To construct a congruent angle, you first start with the given angle and draw a ray wherever you need your angle to go, and you want this ray to be longer than either side of the original angle. And make sure you put the end point on the ray. Other points for right now aren't necessarily terribly important unless you're told the angle's name to make it congruent to. So you take your compass and you put the center of your compass, remember that's the pointy part, that's the black side, on the vertex of the original angle. And you draw an arc, your choice in the size, but whatever size you use, you now go down to the ray that you drew and you draw an arc of the same size on your ray from the end point of the ray. Now you go back to the original angle and you take your compass and you need to set it and make it the same width as the distance between the two sides. So for me, it's remarkably close, but it's just a little bit too big. So I need to make the compass a little smaller, and see now it's the same size. So now what you do is where your arc crosses the side of the angle, you put the center of your compass, you draw an arc, just a small piece, that goes through the point where the arc crosses the other side of the angle. Now using the same compass size, move down to your new angle and put the center of your compass where the arc crosses the ray. Using the same compass size, draw another piece of arc. Now where those two arcs cross becomes a new point, and you connect the end point of your ray to the new point using a straight edge. This can be a ruler, the side of your student ID, the edge of the protractor. And you make a ray. Make sure you have the arrows on the end of each side. Make sure that the vertex is where the angle stops, that your rays don't go past the vertex of the angles. These two angles are congruent, and the last thing we do is we mark them congruent in our picture. Now be sure to read the directions. If the directions specify angle ABC is congruent to angle DEF, then you do need to label some of your points to name the angle appropriately.